Once upon a time, deep inside a beautiful green forest, there lived a small and adorable elephant named Moti. Moti had bright, curious eyes and a playful heart. Every day, he loved to explore the forest, smell the colorful flowers, and discover new and exciting things. One bright morning, Moti was happily wandering through the forest when suddenly he noticed something strange. In the distance, under a very large old tree, he saw a mysterious shining light.
It's coming from that huge
Moti
tree.
tilted his head with curiosity.
Sparkles!
What could that
So
be?
pretty.
He wondered. Slowly and carefully, he walked toward the big tree. As he came closer, he saw something amazing. On the ground beneath the tree roots lay a beautiful glowing stone. It sparkled with magical blue light. Moti's eyes grew wide with wonder. Wow, this is such a beautiful stone, he thought. Curious as always, Moti gently touched a stone with his trunk. Suddenly, whoosh! A wave of magical light spread through the entire forest. The trees began to glow softly, the flowers shimmered, and the air
Whoa,
sparkled
what's
with
that
tiny
glowing down
lights.
there? Chiku, come quick! It's
Just
a
then,
glowing stone.
Moti's playful
Wow,
monkey
it's
friend
so
Chiku
bright.
jumped
I know.
down from a
Let's see
nearby
what it
tree.
does.
Moti, what have you done?
Chiku,
Chiku said
look,
with
the
surprise.
sky. Wow,
That
look
is a
at the
magical stone!
Sparkles, so
Before
many.
Moti could say anything,
Magic.
a soft and sweet voice
So
echoed from the sky. Both Moti and Chiku looked up. A tiny glowing fairy slowly appeared in the air. She had shining golden wings and a gentle smile. She was the guardian of the forest. The fairy spoke kindly. This stone holds the magical power of the forest. Whoever finds it must help protect and care for the forest and its animals. Moti felt a little nervous. Helping the whole forest sounded like a big responsibility. But then, he took a deep breath and lifted his head bravely. I want to help the forest, Moti said. The fairy smiled warmly. Very well, Moti. Your first task
help
is
the
to help a
forest.
little rabbit
I
who
knew
has
you
lost
would,
his way
Moti.
in the forest.
I'll stand
Without
and
wasting any
protect
time,
it.
Moti and
We will
Chiku
do it
ran through the
together.
forest to find the rabbit.
The lost rabbit is
They
somewhere in
searched
the
near
forest.
bushes,
This way.
behind
Wow,
trees,
it's so
and
pretty
along the
here.
forest
Yeah.
paths.
Let's go
After
find
some
the
time,
rabbit.
they
Follow
heard a
me.
small
We'll find
sad
your friend
sound.
together.
Behind a bush, they found a tiny white rabbit crying. The rabbit had lost his way and could not find his home. Moti gently bent down and spoke kindly. Don't worry, little friend. We will help you get home. The rabbit wiped his tears and nodded. So Moti, Chiku and the rabbit began walking together through the forest. They passed tall trees, colorful flowers,
now, little
and
one.
singing
You mean
birds
no
along the
harm.
way.
He's so cute. Let's be careful.
Soon,
Who are you?
they
Please
reached a
don't scare me.
small cozy burrow
Shh, it's
surrounded
all
by
right. We just
soft
wanna be
grass.
friends.
The rabbit's eyes sparkled with happiness. My home! Thank you so much, my friends, the rabbit said happily. Just then, the magical light flashed again, and the fairy appeared once more.
Wow,
She
look
looked
all
at
the pretty
Moti with a proud
flowers.
smile.
Yeah. and the
Moti,
trees are so
you have
tall.
done a wonderful
This
job.
way.
You helped
That
someone in
looks so
need.
magical.
Then the fairy said something
wonder
very
what's
important. Remember, real magic is not in stones or spells. Real magic lives in kind hearts. Moti felt very proud and happy. From that day on, Moti promised himself that he would always help anyone who needed him. And so, Moti the little elephant became known as the
Wow,
kindest
what's that
and
light?
bravest friend in the
So
entire
pretty.
forest.
Look, something's happening. Hello, my little friends.